I'm going with the process builder, view all accounts. I'm cloning it. Whenever I make it as a code, I need to update my contacts. I need to update my contacts. New process. Account rating is warm. This is 1. Account rating equal to 1. I need to update my description. If account rating choose pick list equal to cold, update contacts, save. Till now I am updating the same record. Now I am going ahead and updating my related records. Add actions, update records. What is the name? Con updates. Select record type. Which record? Select a record related to the record. Now I can select my contacts. Save. Description, contact description. Account rating is home. Save. I'm updating my related records. I'm going ahead and I'm updating my cross object data here. I'm opening one of my contact. I'm opening Jock Rogers is a contact. Now what I'll do, I'll update my rating equal to cold. Say before going for, you can see contact description is blank. Save. What happened?
Refresh it.
No. Contact description account equal to account.contacts and equal to code does not equal to okay, the condition is not getting satisfied. Here I need to use shit. The decision making, contradiction decision making is the problem. Does not equal to warm I kept. It should be equals to warm. This is what we need to check. Whatever conditions we are writing, we need to understand is this conditions are really flowing down. Edit. Save. Warm equal to cold. Okay. What is this condition? Equals to hot and status equal to this one. Equals to warm or yeah, again I did a mistake. Save. Equals to warm. Cancel. Save. Again, let me check. Equals to warm, equals to cold, equals to hot. Activate. Edit. Save. You can see, right? Account rating is cold. As I mentioned here, we need to check our contradiction decision making. That where I did a mistake. How many versions I created totally 5 versions. But whenever you're done with your version thinking that you are exceeding your versioning limit, you can delete the unrelated. But you will not able to delete the active workflows, active process builder. You can only delete the inactive things. You can only delete inactive. Clear? Any other doubts in process builder? What we can do in a process builder and what we can do in a workflows. Workflow is a single object. You will not able to, you can only do a 4 actions called email alert,
outbound
field
message,
update, new task, outbound message. Where in process builder,
2 conditions,
Apex classes, a charter post, process, invoke another flow, process, update records and submit for approval process, email alert. right? This is the very important question if you're gonna face an interview at this current state. I mean, nowadays the people are asking a question in configuration called what is the difference between the workflows and process builder? What are the actions we have? And what is the difference between the workflows which have and process builder do not? Outbound message is the one which is available in a workflows, which is not available in process builder. Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Yeah. So I think that we have a time. Can we implement? I mean, it's just random that we. Kavita, you are here. Kavita?
Yes, Devat.
Acha, silently joined. I never realized that. Okay. So, do you think that process builder and workflow? Let's say we have another thing called let me go there. Cold, right? I'll write a validation rule in account object. Interestingly, I'll write a validation rule. Account rating cannot be active. Control A. Account rating cannot be active. Insert field rating equal to hot. If rating equal to hot, acha, is big val of rating. Check syntax. If is peak value of rating equal to hot, account cannot be a hot rating say. Now, if I go and make my account equal to hot, what happens? I have validation rule saying that account cannot be a hot, right? Now, what I will do in an interesting, I'll create a workflow. Workflow rules. I'll create a new rule saying that account active accounts is hot. My condition is that active, if I select active equal to yes, if I select account equal to yes, save and next, I need to update my field update. Just remember, I written a validation rule saying that account cannot be a hot. Now what I will do, account rating hot. Now I'll write a rating account rating equal to hot here. Rating value equal to hot. In validation rule I am saying account cannot be hot, and here I am saying account should be hot if it is active. Now I activate it. Now, do you think that if I edit this record, if I save, it will save? Account equal to yes. If I save this one, what happens? Hey Google, turn on bedroom light. If I save, you will get error, right? But what I will do, if I
Sure, turning on the bedroom light.
I selected a warm, account rating equal to yes. If I save, do you really think that workflow will fire and will not fire? Whether record will save or not? Again, I am repeating, we have two conditions. One is validation rule, which is saying that account cannot be active. And workflow rule is saying that if account equal to yes, update the field to hot.
It will save.
So what is the rating value then?
It would be hot. Validation will be only
Okay. Now anyone else? Okay. Don't worry, this is something else. Say. What is your rating? Why?
hot travel కదా.
Why? Why? Because subsequently met criteria. No. Yes. Now it will come. Yes. Save. Now you got your heart, right? So from here we need to remember one thing. Validation rule will fire first and then workflow rules will fire. So the time of workflow execution there is no validation rule anymore because validation rule is already completed. Right? Clear? Hello?
Yeah.
So the image goes like this. Image goes like this. The flow of between workflow and process builder. Record update. Validation rule. Workflows. Record update. Validation rule. This is record. Okay. And this is validation rule. Workflow action. After workflow action, it just commits the record directly. It won't be any validation rule. If assume that if validation rule is here and workflow is here, then you'll get an error. But before validation rule, before workflow, validation rule is already completed, so you can skip your validations from a workflow.